Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to create a verified PayPal account in Ghana. Open to any web browser and type paypal.com/ls. The ls is very important, please take note of it. Okay, you'll see this page. Now click on sign up for free. There are two types of the account. You have the personal account and the business account. I recommend a business account because it is easy for sending and receiving money. Now you are supposed to enter your email address, a valid email address. And enter your password. You have to choose a password that you remember always in order for you to log in easily. Please note the password must contain at least one number or a symbol and an uppercase or a lowercase. Now, the business contact, the legal first name of the business and the legal last name of the business. The business details. So mine is PK Tech Enterprise. After that, followed by the business phone number. Please scroll down and choose Ghana. If you're not in Ghana, you can choose your country. Okay, +233, that's Ghana. Now you type your phone number. After that, your business address. The address line 2 is optional. Your city, town or village. So okay, let's choose East Legon. Yeah. The state or region, let's choose Accra. The postal code is optional. And the primary currency, please choose the currency you'll be using most. After that, click on agree and submit. Describe your business. Is it a private corporation? But let me choose individual or sole proprietorship. Product or service keyword. Let me choose veterinary services. Your date of birth, please let it be valid. Enter your correct date of birth. The nationality. If you're Ghanaian, choose Ghana. If you're not a Ghanaian, please choose your country. The identity document, let's choose the national ID. On the national ID, there is a national ID number. Please enter the number. So let me type any random number. And the home address, it can be the same as the business address. After that, click on submit. Wait for a while. Okay, we got our PayPal. Thank you very much.